All right, so we're trying something. This is the BlackBerry Priv. This has become our new stunt double phone. And we're gonna try driving over the top of it. And that man right there thought what I meant by driving over the top was actually running it over. He's like, oh, you sure you don't care about the case on your phone?
I thought that meant it was
See, you don't kill stunt people or stunt cameras. Guy's crazy. Not on purpose. Okay, so let's see if we can get this. I'm gonna set this camera up here and we're gonna see what happens. What's happening? Oh, there's a bee in my ear. That's what's happening. A bee was crashing the party. But it's a party. Wasp. It's a paper wasp. Paper wasps suck.
In case you don't know,
there it is again.
You're standing right by the car, or the car used to be, where the paper wasps live.
Where the paper wasp lives? Well, I'm also allergic to bees, so there is that.
We might want to move.
We might want to hurry up and move. But first, let's tell you what we're doing. You know this guy right here, Dr. Torque, aka the Action Man.
Oh, another nickname.
It's two. He's got to have two. So, but here's what we're doing today, though. What happened to your cool pose? What happened to your IT crowd pose?
Oh, that went away.
That's a
you should probably move around.
Disappointment. We missed that. There's a more bees. Let's move around a little bit because apparently there's a nest in another car. But we're back here at side by side today. We're doing some testing. We're gonna test out all this work that we've done. I mean, you can see some of it. Like, look at it there. See those shiny aluminum, the skid plates. And we're testing out the work we did for the, well, we didn't finish all the cooling, but we definitely got some cooling done, and the stack work. And what the heck else did we do? We did a whole bunch of shocks, of course, big ones. Duh, of course we did that. So we're gonna go try it. We're gonna go hit some bumps and see what we think about all the work that we did and if it was worth it. And then you come along for the ride. It'll be awesome. Oh, look at that. It's like he's opening the door, like, after you, sir. Although I won't be driving. All right, let's go see what we can find for bumps and no bees. All right, here we go. He says put it right in the middle. Hold on a second. How are we gonna do this? Okay. Thumbs up. All right, this is our stunt camera. It's a Priv. It used to be main phone. Now it's become stunt camera. We're gonna see. It's sort of off to the right a little bit. Can you see it?
I can't hear you.
Can you see it? No? This camera's gonna die. You're gonna die, Blackberry. You're gonna die. Don't worry. It's gonna be just fine. Oh my gosh! He did it! Oh, he did it! Blackberry, are you okay? You seem okay. I think you lived. Don't tempt him. Well, this is a good time to ask about the shocks. Feel like it was worth it?
They're definitely way better than the stock shocks and springs.
Man, personally, I would say dramatically different. I mean,
I think I would have needed like a kidney belt and a neck brace after that with
Yeah.
the old shocks.
oh, you got like room to clear on these guys. I would say definite win on the shocks. I would say when you accelerate, it's smoother too. So the engine and the new belt system and transmission smoother.
Especially in low, it's a lot smoother in low. I can actually
Yeah, you could actually go. It just lurched before it just jerked. What about the skid plates? You feel like way more secure with the skid plates?
I haven't hit anything with them yet that I'm aware of, but I'm
you're
glad they're there
Not worried about it now.
because the battery and the gas tank are both
Well, totally protected.
protected now.
Look at that. Seriously, the whole thing's armor plated under there. That too. And in the front. Look, it ran over. So we'd say skid plates are good. I mean, if nothing else, you just don't have to worry about it.
Right.
So I like that. So engine good and transmission.
Well, the transmission's part
that
of the
two?
engine
That's
thing,
all
so
one.
It's all new.
Shocks are really good. The skid plates are really good. And so the last thing to talk about is the heat issue. But I want to address one more thing, because this is a little different. This one, you've got a windshield on this. And man, that windshield makes a humongous difference. It's shocking how
And
much.
we've never closed it all the way either.
No. So we're kind of closing up the cabin anyway. But we did do a lot of heat work. You feel like that made a difference, or is there still more to do?
No, I think it made a difference. I mean, the only thing I was really noticing when we were driving, heat-wise with the window shut was on my shins.
Well, that's cool. So a little bit more heat work to do, but overall, pretty good. I'd say definite 2 thumbs up on all of it. I mean, it's a bummer you had to do the engine, because that obviously wasn't, let's improve it. That was it broke. But at least we not only fixed it, we got something noticeable out of it too. I think that's cool. And then all the rest, for sure. I think it's awesome. Side-by-sides are cool. You can have conversations in them. It's hard to do that on a quad when you're front to back. So I like that too. Well, that's cool. Well, we've had a good time. We're gonna have a good time on the way out too. Did you have a good time? I thought it was pretty awesome. We might go down and talk about it a little bit more, but just in case, thanks for hanging out up here in this amazing wilderness.
You're gonna record going to the log from inside?
I'm gonna record going to the log. That'll be bonus footage. Will be bonus footage. But it's amazing out here. Thanks for coming out. It was so awesome. We love you. Don't forget to subscribe, because if you subscribe, you get a notification when we're hanging out. And we want you to hang out with us, right?
Subscribe and click the bell for notifications.
And click the bell for notifications. That's perfect. All right. Well, we love you. It's a fist bump of friendship. On the way out, well, pow. Bonus footage again. We found this giant parking lot up here. Like, I have no idea what this is. Tom's playing around. You can hear him. Should be coming back though, so we can head for home. There he is. All right. Oh, I think he's playing. Oh, he's gone again. He's gone. He's really gone. Dom? Dom? Are you coming back? I think he's really gone this time. His threats finally came true. Finally leaving me. He's always threatening. All right, well, I gotta go find him. He'll come back. Probably. Probably he'll come back. But let's start walking.